Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and what's in my bag for my Stephanie Dawn tag along. So I recently received this bag. I purchased it on Poshmark and I am obsessed with this. It is so cute. I love all the bright colors. This is the pattern Boho Black and it is a quilted cotton, very similar to the Vera Bradley. This is American made, which yay, go American made. I'm a very big supporter of that. This is a crossbody bag, so it's not a big bag, but I went out today to the doctor's and I was by myself, and it's raining and it's gross, so I didn't want to take a big bag and a lot of stuff. So I packed her up and took her to the doctor. She's really light. I really am loving this bag. So this is a designated crossbody bag. You cannot remove these straps. You have a very generous strap here that is adjustable. You have your adjustable right here, your adjuster right here, so you can make it short and carry it as a shoulder bag if you wanted to, but I wear it crossbody. I like to be hands-free. It is a magnetic closure, so you have your magnetic, wow, you know, they took my blood today, so I don't think I'm processing everything. They took a lot of blood. So it has a magnetic closure here, and then it has one zipper on the back here, and it is a black nylon zipper with a metal pull or a metal zipper, and then you have your fabric tassels on your zipper pull here. So you have, it is silver hardware, aside from the zipper here. The only thing that I wish that was included in this bag, like I wish that design, I guess one of the design features I wish that was included in this bag was right here behind the zipper. I really wish there was just like a quick access slip pocket here, but you know, it's neither here nor there. It's just a matter of personal preference. So I will go ahead and show you how I have her packed up. So like I said, it is a magnetic closure, and this is your really pretty lining. It has like this geo floral pattern in these really fun colors, and again, let me see if you can see the quilting here. It's a really cute pattern. I think it goes very well with the outside pattern, the main fabric here. So in here you have two slip pockets in the front, and in here I have a chapstick, a Tide to Go pen, and a lip gloss, and I have room, there's plenty of room for more stuff, but that's all I needed. And then in this side I have this little container of hand sanitizer, and that's on this main body of the bag. The other part of the main body of the bag is this back zipper part, and in here I just have a pen, and I carried my my cell phone right here. So I have the iPhone 12 Max Pro. Yep, it fits in there with no problem. So on the inside of the bag here, you don't have any pockets on the front, but you have two slip pockets here in the back, and this is how she looks. And then on the top here, I just had my keys thrown in here, and I didn't even need to carry sunglasses because, like I said, it's nasty and rainy here today. So let's just jump into it, shall we? So in the main part of the bag, I'll go ahead and do that first. Here's my gum and my Packed Party collapsible hairbrush, which clearly I needed and didn't use. And then I have my charger cable for my portable charger. And then I have my, you guys have seen this a million times, my little pill box here, and the forehead stick that I actually ended up using it at the doctor's office because I'm I've been for yesterday, and then today's day 2 of my migraine. So that's great stuff. I had a spray deodorant, a travel size deodorant, and then this little Stephanie Dawn wallet. This is the pocket wallet, I believe. And warning, it's Velcro. I'm so sorry, but I don't mind Velcro, but some people I know don't like Velcro. So this front tab is Velcro, and it opens up, and it's just a bifold. There's nothing on the outside. You have a zipper pocket here for coins. If you so choose to carry coins, I carry coins still because I'm Indiana Jones. You have a slip pocket here for your ID, and then 2 slip pockets here for cards or cash. I have cash in the back, and then my ID or my insurance cards are in the front here. And then I have literally 4 like cards in the front here, so it's not like a one card pocket. There's give, so you can stuff it if you wanted to. But I love how small and compact it is. I think it would make this little set right here makes a great travel set. And then this is what the inside looks like. In here in the back, I have my pink lemonade, my little drink mix, and I have some coupons and some lens wipes. And then in here, there are just some feminine products and my Dollar Tree flashlight. So this bag is, the quality is fantastic. I love it. I love how light it is. It's so light. It has a kind of a little taper towards the bottom. You have that triangular shape. The bottom is a solid bottom. So the fun thing about this is it is machine washable, and the bottom of the base of this, there's a slit on the side that you can just pull the little chipboard base out before you put it in the washer. And if you're going to wash this, I suggest putting it in like a mesh bag or a pillowcase. Don't use any fabric softeners, and then let it line dry. So yeah, that's it. That is my Stephanie Dawn bag. I love the fun colors. I highly recommend Stephanie Dawn. I know she's going to be having an outlet sale soon. She kind of every month does a sale, a good sale. So if you're interested in her, check her website out. It is, I believe it's stephaniedawn.net. And grab something, grab a small item if you don't have the budget for something big or the budget for Vera Bradley. She makes, to me, it's comparable to her, hands down. And she's a little bit cheaper. So, and American made, you can't beat that. So yeah, if you like this kind of content, please give me a huge thumbs up, big thumbs up, subscribe to this video, and I would love for you guys to join the family. I try to get stuff up once a week. I'm a homeschool mom to 4 boys, and I have 2 fur babies, so life gets kind of crazy and hectic, but I like to try to get something out at least every week. So, and we just moved to Florida, so we've been kind of crazy. So I haven't been on a regular schedule, but I'm trying to get adjusted to life down here and get back onto a regular video schedule. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe, and I appreciate all of you for watching. Thank you for taking time out of your day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.